Some table tennis now. Despite only being in the post for a few months, President of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, Ingrid Graham, has already caught the eye of regional administrators after being offered the women's leadership position for the Pan American region. Graham, who created history in May by becoming the first woman to be president of the JTTA, says she'll be looking to extract all the benefits Jamaica can get from her appointment.
I think it's a great step for us here in Jamaica. It will open more avenues for our youngsters for the development and more input here, because now we can see what is going on in the wider world and where we go from there. And as well as I take it as an opportunity not only to garner the help here in Jamaica, but I plan to seek out in the other countries to put a representative there, because I can't work alone here from Jamaica to do it.
Meanwhile, Graham has given assurances that there will be a review of the current rating system after some stakeholders questioned the legitimacy of the list prior to the national championships.
I've told the members that the rating system after the national, that we are going to have a complete review and put our new rating system in place. Now, they wanted us to rush the rating system. We cannot do that, and we have the nationals. So based on previous nationals and this one here, we're going to do a compilation of scores, and then when the new system come in place, everyone will be notified. We have a rating team, so they are the ones, I'm a part of it, but I'm there to just observe to see what is going on and protocols are followed. So that team now will come together and see what is the best system to use to facilitate us.
Graham says she's confident the new system will be in place before the end of the year.